Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today is Friday. It's a little after 7. It's about 69 degrees. It looks like it's going to be a pretty day. Gonna have a few things I need to work on. Of course, there's always something to work on here on the farm. Let's see what we can get accomplished today. Well, Bella's waiting for Lisa to come out. Bella, don't look the sprinkler. I don't know if I'd put my head in there with a pig. Okay, Bella's been milked. Put it back away. These lovebirds over here, I'll leave them in private in peace. Well, they got all the other farm animals watching. It's just terrible out here. Close your eyes. We just got back from the co-op. Had to get food for our chickens. Yeah, nice day to hang out in the muddy water for a pig. Goats are happy. Got nice, fresh, clean water. Making a mud hole for the piglets right now. Yeah, everybody's got water. We'll be back a little later to feed them more hay and fill their water up again. Sure is warm out here. It says 92 degrees. Feels hotter than that. Probably there's not much of a breeze right now. These goats are crying for more food, but they get plenty. Feeding the pigs. It's your turn to have food or more food. They always have a little bit left over, but they want the fresh stuff. Water is good, but I'm going to top it off anyway, just to make sure they don't run out in case anything happens and I have to leave or something like that. Got a broken egg. Penelope, come here. Come on. You want this? Come on. She likes eggs. Look at the mess. Come on, dog. Go. Well, it's 4:30. It's 95 degrees. Just came down and checked on the animals and their water, and everybody's good to go still. That's good. They're not as drinking as much as they have been. So it is a little cooler than normal for the last few days. Turn my sprinkler back on and hit on it. I think they're pigs, not goats. Act like they're starving to death. I had to give them some grain because they're trying to steal Bella's. Poor Bella.
Oh, they dumped it upside down.
They leave your grain alone, huh? Okay. Is Brandy wearing the sled harness?
I think this is the first thing we work on, just putting these on and off.
Okay, Molly's got hers on.
They don't seem to mind them.
And JD's
They don't like.
making a mess. Hey, get up my hay. Our time down here at the barn with the animals is over for today. We got a lot of little odds and ends done. No major projects. We did try horse harnesses on the goats. We're going to try to teach them to pull a cart when they're older. Anyway, it's been a great hot July day. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.